Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's look is gonna be the super easy, really smoky green smoky eye. I know green is not everyone's cup of tea, but I wanted to show you how to do quite of an easy look with this color, and I'm using the BeautyBay matte palette for this look today. So to start off with, I'm mixing my Plouise base with my Camoflauge concealer from Catrice, and I do about a 50-50 split. You don't have to mix them in by any means, but sometimes I do. I just want to switch it up a little bit because I've been using the Plouise base quite a bit. I'm just placing that all over my lid and I'm just blending that in with my beauty blender. So the first color I'm going into is the lightest green out of the palette, and I'm going to be buffing that right into my crease. And the brush I'm using is quite big and fluffy. I want my base color just to be kind of like a hint of a color in my crease. I don't want it to be super opaque, and I'm really lightly just buffing that in through my crease, and I'm kind of joining it up to the outer corner because I do like my eyeshadow to be winged out. If you haven't noticed, I just find it a little bit more flattering on my own eye shape. Then I'm further deepening it up with the second darkest color out of the eyeshadows in the palette, and I'm taking this on a more of a denser kind of a brush, and I'm blending that in through the crease, and then I'm also working that into the outer corner, but I'm kind of leaving the lid space pretty clean. You don't have to worry about that. I'm just slowly building up the color intensity, and I'm trying to merge the two colors together. I like the lightest color is acting like a more of a natural base for the second color, but then I'm just taking my deepest kind of forest green and I'm taking that on a smaller brush yet again. This one is a little bit more compact, so it really intensifies the depth of this eye look. And again, I'm blending that in through my crease and also the outer corner just to achieve a little bit of definition, but I'm just making sure not to bring that too high up because I don't want to lose the lighter colors. Then to deepen everything up, I'm mixing in the darkest forest green with black. You can do that, or if you have a darker green, you can do that as well. But this is an easy way how you can just deepen up the existing colors that you have. And I'm blending that into the outer corner. Then I'm taking the second eyeshadow that I used, like kind of like that medium green, and I'm placing that just on my eyelid where there was no eyeshadow at all. Now I'm just lining my eyes with a liquid eyeliner. You can skip liner altogether if you want, but I just like something to hide my lashes, so I always, pretty much 95% of time, do liner on my eyes. I just feel like I need it there, especially with lashes that have a thicker band. It just works better. And then I'm just taking black eyeshadow on its own, and I'm really lightly diffusing the edge of that eyeliner just so it blends in a little bit and it doesn't just abruptly end at the edge of my eye. And now I'm taking the lightest green and I'm placing that underneath my eye, joining it up with the top. You can use a much smaller brush for this if you're more comfortable with it. And then I'm going to be adding in the second and the third darkest green just to make everything nice and smoky. And then I finish up with a little bit of black. In the waterline, if you want to do something a little bit different, you can do yellow if you're brave, or you can just stick to black, or even like a deep brown. I think would look really nice if you don't want it to be black. Then I'm applying just a matte white eyeshadow into the inner corner to open up my eyes. And then for lashes, I'm applying these lashes that I got off Amazon for €1 freaking. Would you believe it? They're actually really pretty. But this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you found this video somewhat way helpful. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!